'70 Charger and a 4-speed 400 stroker in it. I've had it about 10, 15 years now. They're a lot of work, but it's a hobby. So.
Hello, how you doing? I'm Jauch. This is a 1970 Rebel Machine. It's an AMC product produced in Kenosha, Wisconsin themselves. There's about 2,500 of these produced, and if I'm not mistaken, I think there was 1,200 red, white, and blue ones like this. From what I understand, I think there's like 600 and something left in existence. Very unique, one-year wonder car. Thank you very much.
Okay, this is my 1958 Chevy Impala, 348, 3 deuces, all original. As you can see, the body's been restored in 2005, and it's my driver. Not 100% original, but it's got disc brakes, and I really enjoy driving it.
Oh, should we lick the, do you want us to lick the rim? What?
John, can you get me with my new friend, Marina?
We're making new friends, that's good.
Okay. Ah, it's on film.
This is video.
Oh, so I shouldn't talk naughty. Yes, you have to be me.
This be silly. So like,
You're such a ham. Look at you.
I didn't even put on my eyelashes today. I should have.
Here's a Megan.